Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can fix your Facebook not working or not responding, since most people be facing the issue of not having their phone's Facebook not responding. So if you have a Facebook app, simply start by opening Settings. Then after having it opened, simply start by going on Apps. Then after finding it, simply open it. Then now as you can see we have all our phone's apps. So slide down to the Facebook app. After having it opened, we will simply go on Storage. Then after try deleting your cache, since all this data's be causing some major errors on your Facebook app. Then after doing that, simply come and click on Force Stop. And now your Facebook will no longer be crashing anymore. So, thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.